conditions, there may be a secondary low starting to form off of Virginia Beach as our wind is starting to go from the northeast around to the northwest in the tidewater, so we may be seeing a little jumping of the center a little farther up the coast. In any event, the other big player is a great big Canadian high in Ontario, and that's going to continue to feed the cold air in. The other factor will be the increasing onshore flow. We'll get to that in a minute. Storm history locally, a foot or more in all the areas in the white. How about Lynchburg, Virginia, Roanoke, Virginia, both 19 inches. Lewisburg, West Virginia, 22. We mentioned some of the mountain areas of North and South Carolina, upwards of a foot of snow, and heavy snows back into the Ohio Valley. Philadelphia, New York City area now approaching 4 inches in the city and around 8 or 9 inches in Philadelphia. Again, Baltimore and Washington locally 12 to 15 across the metro area. Now the good news here, the saving grace, may be some sleet, maybe a little freezing rain throwing in. That may hold down the amounts a little bit, but locally I'd say mountain areas out beyond Front Royal and the Shenandoah National Park, down around Stanton, Virginia, Harrisonburg, somebody could see 2 to maybe 3 feet of snow before it's all said and done. There's your low pressure area twirling in North Carolina. The upper low in the color enhanced picture back over Indiana and Ohio, that's the blue shading. And until that low back in Indiana tracks to the coast, the threat of snow will continue in places such as Washington, Baltimore, and Philadelphia. And that may not occur until about the midday hour on Monday. Current radar once again showing the action. Let's go to the northern edge, see what's going on here. And look at our snow in the Poconos, Scranton area, Philadelphia snowing at the rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Down through Delaware and southwestern New Jersey, there is some sleet mixed in. That is why we're seeing the echoes showing up in the dark green and even the yellow shading. And that will help to, I think, hold down or firm up that snowpack a little bit in Atlantic City and maybe even Philadelphia. But conservatively, a foot to a foot and a half of snow should fall in the lower Delaware Valley. Farther west, Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, still some pretty heavy snowfall. That continues even down into Nashville.